Hi there, students. Argot. I've heard people say Argot as well, although I think that's probably a bit more old-fashioned. Anyway, Argot is the slang that a particular group of people use. So, I don't know, English teachers Argot, present progressive, present perfect progressive. The object, it's a post-positive adjective. All of this is English teachers argot. Okay, argot is the specialized vocabulary and terminology used by people in a certain skill. So, I don't know, doctors have argot. Their jargon, they're words that they use to describe things. Or in legal argot, legal argot. You can imagine exactly what that is. It's some of these posh Latin phrases or things like that. Hackers have argot, or computer nerds have their own argot. I guess you could have an adjective argotic, but I think argot is a countable noun, very definitely. Let's see, in the past, and I think you could still use it, argot was a secret language or set of conventions belonging to thieves or tramps or vagabonds. Yeah? So but I think nowadays we use it to say jargon or the specialized vocabulary used by a specific group. So, for example, Cockney rhyming slang is very London argot. There's lots and lots of London argot. It's what a particular group of people use. The cant, characteristic language used. Among a group of people, so the specific lingo, the cant, if you like, I guess the argot of school children, they have some very particular phrases, and this is the idea of argot, but originally just thieves argot, words and expressions used by a small group of people, and they're not really understood by other people. So rappers argot, or the argot of teenagers. The argot of footballers. In football argot. If you need to be part of the group or follow something if you're going to know the argot. You could have sociology argot. Let's see. As to origin, okay, it comes from French argot, meaning slang. And as to formality, this is a bit formal. I think I would probably give it a 6.5 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation and above. I think in a very informal conversation, you just say slang or jargon. But it sounds a little bit posh. A little bit literary. Okay, so argot. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Argot.